Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Cacao Bliss. We, from the DAAC Reviews channel, have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying Cacao Bliss. I also have some really important alerts, which I'll mention throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid mistakes when using or purchasing Cacao Bliss. The first thing you need to know about Cacao Bliss is be careful with the website you're buying it from because Cacao Bliss is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left a link to the official site below in the description of this video. So what is Cacao Bliss and does it really work? The answer is yes. Cacao Bliss works. And after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will bring great results. Besides promoting love, happiness, and emotional connection with others, cocoa can induce feelings of joy and support for life's purpose. It acts as a neurotransmitter that benefits memory, motivation, and appetite control. The author shares a personal experience where daily consumption of cocoa-rich chocolate brought calmness, happiness, and closeness to his family, along with improving his writing and problem-solving abilities. He reports sleeping better and feeling clearer and more grounded during the day, without the nervous effects associated with coffee. It is concluded that cocoa has a significant impact on emotional and physical well-being. So yes, you can trust this product, as many people have had great results with Cacao Bliss, including numerous testimonials on the official website. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react differently. This may be obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Cacao Bliss for 60 days. And if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll refund your money. Therefore, feel safe to use Cacao Bliss, but make sure you're buying it on the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Also, for Cacao Bliss to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Some days you can relax with a cup of hot chocolate after a long day. Other days, you can put a spoonful in a lunch smoothie and healthy brownies for dessert. This depends entirely on you, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 to 3 months of using this product due to its gradual effect. Also important for you to know, Cacao Bliss has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Cacao Bliss from, and also, if you buy the product, to do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Cacao Bliss really helps improve your life a lot, along with many other benefits that this product promotes. Remember that the official website of the product is located in the description link. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.